Hi there! Today, let's take a walk in one of the most beautiful cities in the world, the capital of Catalonia, Barcelona. We begin right in the city center, a 19th century square called Plaça de Catalunya. It is a popular meeting point and it's known for its fountains, statues and pigeons. From here you can go many ways, including the famous Rambla, but this time I'm walking through the street called Portal del Àngel. In the area there is a beautiful building called the Palace of Catalan Music, which was built in 1905 and designed in the Catalan Modernista style. Moving on to a popular site within Instagram lovers, which is called The Kiss. It's a wall made out of 4,000 small pictures that depict freedom.
Freedom, love, and peace.
Not far from it is Barcelona Cathedral. Not to be confused with La Sagrada Familia. It was established in the 14th century, but it had previously served as a Roman temple. Now Barcelona Cathedral is named after the city's patron, and Saint Eulalia. The cathedral is also the seat of the Bishop of Barcelona. Here we see letters that make the word Barcino, which is the name that the Romans gave the colony in this area around the end of 1st century BC.
Bloody Romans, what shit!
Next nearby site is the Bishop Bridge. It links the government palace to the Catalan president residence. Fun fact, under side of the bridge there is a skull pierced with a dagger. Legend says if you make a wish while walking backwards under it and looking directly at the skull, then the wish will come true. Next up, the square of Sant Jaume. There you'll see the city hall and Catalan government palace. Next is the Picasso museum. If you're a big fan, you should definitely visit it. And prior to coming to Barcelona, you should always book your tickets online to any museum, because they can be sold out.
You didn't check the website?
Oh, that's a good idea.
Next is the massive church of Santa Maria del Mar, built around 14th century, when the trade and navigation were thriving in Catalonia. Moving on to the King's Square. There you'll see the Grand Royal Palace. Next is Royal Plaza, which hosts many restaurants and some of the city's most famous nightclubs. The square's lampposts were designed by the famous Catalan architect Antoni Gaudi. When you are walking on La Rambla, you'll see the Barcelona's opera house Liceu. The famous market La Boqueria, where you can try local foods. 3 minutes away there is a 15th century church of Santa Maria del Pi. Next is MACBA. It's a contemporary art museum, and you can always see skaters in this area. Now I want to go up and see the amazing views of Barcelona. The most famous park in Barcelona is Park Güell, named after the wealthy Catalan businessman who wanted to create a luxury village for rich people to live in. His friend Antoni Gaudi designed the park and stayed to reside in one of its homes, which is now a museum. Later, Güell's descendants sold the park to Barcelona City Hall, and it became free for the public to visit. You can spend a good half a day here. And remember, if you want to enter the park, you should prior purchase the ticket online. Here we're going down the most expensive avenue in Barcelona, Passeig de Gràcia. It's full of luxury shops, and there are also well-known buildings like Casa Milá and Casa Batlló. Next, I'm going to see the Barceloneta beach. Here is a nice promenade that ends with nightclubs and casino. Moving on to a Ciutadella Park, and on the way there is a Barcelona Zoo, for which you also gotta pay to enter, but the park itself is free. The park held the 1888 Barcelona Universal Exposition. Now it's a very nice green space with a lake and a huge fountain. In the area there is also a triumphal arch built as a gateway for the exposition site. Of course, there are still more sites in Barcelona. One day is not enough to see them all, so I definitely recommend you to come here for at least 3 days. If you want me to show you more Barcelona sites, please like and subscribe to this channel. I will film part 2 of this video next week. Also, let me know in the comments if you have any suggestions or ideas. Thank you for watching and take care.